What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you a pretty cool feature that's actually going to protect you from suspicious activity, malware, and other threats that can happen to your device. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. Today I'm going to be showing you how to activate the security on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. This is going to work for the A71, A72, and a ton of other different devices. Obviously A52, A51 as well. And we're going to be showing you how to do this right now in a second. It is going to be extremely easy. The first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to your settings. So we're going to go ahead and click on settings right there. And we're going to scroll down to device care. So you guys can type it in, or you can just scroll down right here. It says battery and device care, storage, memory, and device protection. We're gonna go ahead and click on this. And as you guys see, my device is optimized, and I feel like most of you already know about this, but there's another thing down here called device protection, and that is going to be off. So for the seasoned Samsung users, you guys already know what this is. If you don't, go ahead and turn this on because you're definitely going to want to go ahead and use this. But as you guys can see, McAfee is actually working hand in hand with Samsung to create a security device protection for your Samsung Galaxy device. For different regions, this may or may not work. So if anybody is outside the US and Canada, this may not work for you, but you can always try it. And I'm sure there are other alternatives that are in the App Store that you guys can use. But as you guys see, it says turn on device protection to protect your phone against malware and suspicious activity. So what you're going to want to go and do is go ahead and click turn on right now. And as you guys can see, it says no threats have been found, but we're going to go ahead and scan our phone and just to see if we have any malware or suspicious activity on this device. Now, this is going to be a godsend for anybody who's downloading ROMs. I know in the past I ran an emulator, the Super Nintendo emulator, and I ran ROMs on my device and downloaded other APK packages and files like that that weren't too safe, and I didn't have the security on here, and there was some stuff that was jeopardized. So I definitely recommend, if you guys are constantly downloading applications, you do this scan either monthly or weekly. But we're gonna go ahead and scan our phone, and what it's gonna do is gonna go through every application and it's going to scan just to see if that application is safe or not, or if there's any suspicious activity through that application. So as you guys can see, we don't have too many applications on this device. I'm pretty minimal, but we're gonna wait till this goes through, and it's gonna give us the verdict on if this is safe or not. And then it can actually terminate whatever malware is on there and remove it if it is not safe. So as you guys see, it's scanned through the whole device. It gives us when we last scanned, and it's going to give us the date later on, and there were no threats found. But you guys should definitely go ahead and check this out, especially if you may have some applications that may be a little sus. I would definitely recommend activating the security feature. But yeah guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.